buddy. I'm not intending to whisk you off this morning. Good morning. Hi. I came to see how you're doing first. I'm really hoping that the anti-nausea medicine has made it so that you can enjoy your food. Hi. He goes, yeah, but you sat down before and then you've nabbed me. Hi. Hi. The hawk just landed in the middle of the front yard, right behind the 2 forsythia bushes, which I did trim yesterday, so they're not quite as... He's down on the ground down there. It's possible there's a lizard, a snake, something he's interested in. I can see him rummaging. There he goes. Really couldn't tell if he had something in his mouth. He's certainly not eating the food with gusto, but he is at least interested in eating a little, so probably best I go back inside, let him eat, and then come and assess what he had. Obviously, I'm evaluating him for, did I need to take him to the vet this morning? Mostly I would be worried about fluids, but he was rubbing his hand all up against his face all up against my hand, and yeah, I'm gonna let him eat and go in the house. Don's got the garage doors open to let some cool air in there, not humid air. Did you get confused, Tux? Come here, buddy. I'm sorry. Tuxie. Tux. Yeah. Did you get confused about where your food is? Let me pick you up. Help you. Assist you. Marty's over here. You should always follow Marty. Marty doesn't get confused about where the food is. Tux, come here, bud. Come on. I set it down in the same spot every morning, and I always set yours down first. There's a little bit of a different kind of dry chow, so they might be interested in it. New smells seem to always interest them. But everybody's here on the backside and doing good as best I can tell. I'm gonna clean out their water. Oh wow, we've got some new growth overnight on this. This is a Yama. The new growth is really pretty color. Good morning, Gray. Hi, Sweet Pea. How are ya? Good morning. I am going to pull out the hose and do some watering with a little help from my friend here. Look at how sweet. Marty's over here in the shade. Hi, buddy. Well, I'm super excited that this swallowtail butterfly is enjoying the butterfly bush just sitting here at the end of the walkway. Very cool. It's probably 5 degrees warmer today, but it's still low humidity and very pleasant in the shade. And my stomach was giving me a little bit of trouble today, so between that and another beautiful day to work in the yard, we're hanging close to the house and working in the yard. Don's up here installing the last of those stones. Thought I'd come down and say hello. I'm just a few minutes behind getting out here with him. Hey, Donnie. You playing with rocks? Okay. Well, I'm out here now. I'm going to finish watering, and then I'm going to start pulling weeds. Right, well, you know. It's too sunny for me down here in the other part by you today, so I'll be up in the side yard.
Well, I'm going to be down here a whole time. And you can come plant your plants down here.
Yeah, well, you'll let me know. So if I feel up to it, I'm going to pull stilt grass over here. I guess start around the dogwood tree. It's just really sad how fast it comes back. I mean, I've definitely seen improvement with us staying on it. Don't misunderstand, but it's hard. Wow, I'm impressed. It looks really good. I couldn't quite envision how the last stones were going to look until Dawn put them on, and way cool. Well, there's one of the hanging baskets. I was able to split it up into 4 beautiful separate plants. New Guinea impatiens. They are a red color, so they should have good contrast and visibility down here. I'm going to put a tree in the center back there, but these should really fill out and be nice for the rest of the summertime. You know, these won't live here through the winter. Well, at least not unless I come and dig them up, which I probably won't do. Because they don't come out looking great in the spring. But anyway, that's it for today. Dawn's going to get me some more water, and I'm going to put the other New Guinea impatiens in the other planter area over there. So I pulled out a bunch of the creeping Jenny. There wasn't anything else in here except for a little bit of corkscrew at the very back. And I put in a New Guinea impatien. That thing I can't pronounce that starts with a C. Calabutia. Something like that. And the passion flower that I got, you know, a month ago is blue. I was thinking maybe it might like the pipe. We planted the canna lily here. It really didn't look like I could split. I didn't feel comfortable trying to split it while it's blooming and looking so pretty. And Non's going to go get a brick to put in front of it to help with the erosion. I think we have one curved round brick that he can do something with maybe. It's hard over here on the hill though. Don got in down there and pulled what he could. But I'd really like this to spread here like it has over there. And it would be a slow project over here for it to spread. I keep on looking on Facebook Marketplace. Sometimes people sell them for $3 or $5. If I come across somebody close by that has them, and the people that have had them have been too far away, I'll probably pick up some more. All my daylilies are looking good. Don's got my fence up this year to keep the deer from eating them off. It's just like candy for the deer. So I'm very pleased that they'll be flowering soon. Yeah, that, you know, creeping Jenny will come back and look less disturbed in, a week or 2. There was a lady last night at Lowe's buying creeping Jenny, and I'm like, God, you should just come to my house. I'll give you some. I got lots. It's 3:30. I'd like to work outside till 4:30. I called Stripe, and here comes Morris and somebody else. Hi, Morris. Morris, buddy. Hello. Just be careful that's not Tux. Oh, goodness. Oh, boys. Boys. Hi, Morris. You're not in trouble. I gotta get them apart from each other. Tux. In his younger years, Tux would have jumped Stripe before I got over here. Hi. Hi. But since he's a little older now, I got Tux in my arm. I let him, hey. Okay. I was a hard one-handed hold. I'm so sorry that I called Stripe. I should have just called you, but then Stripe would have also have come again. Anyway, I'm going to work out here for an hour, and I'm going to referee boys. We're planting this thing that gets, how tall did I say it gets after
30 feet.
30 feet? Don's got to handle this, though. There's poison ivy. There's privet. It's trying to come back over here.
Well, is that a dastard sweet gum?
I
think so.
Yeah.
Well, we'll be coming up here whacking that.
Anyway, it should get some sun from the neighbor's yard. Just, it's almost going on 5 o'clock, so not super late afternoon sun. Hey, Marty. Let's me and you go back to the side yard. Yeah, I'm not touching anything up here. There's more poison ivy. Marty, come on back with Mama, okay? You're in poison ivy land and I don't like it. Yeah, you know, we'll work up there some more. Again, Don's already weed eated it one time this year. It's getting more sun than it used to get, so it's trying to grow things we'd rather it not grow up there. Anyway, there's so many places in the yard that need attention. That one's just kind of not at the top of the list. I just don't go up there. Oh, are you boys near each other again? I guess they're fixing to have a fight and resettle who's the boss. I will have to say that even though Tuck starts it, Stripe taunts him. He gets close on purpose. Boys. Don said to come take a look and see what I thought. Looks really good. So I used one of the curved pieces and a couple of bricks, or 2 bricks. And wow. He gets an A++. You know, once it starts to spread, I think we have more of those round things, and Lord knows we have lots more of the bricks. Oh, yeah, I can see he went and got a little bit of the Miracle Grow dirt that we had left over, and filled in the front and everything. It looks great. I think it'll really thrive now. You did excellent.
I thought you'd like it.
Yep, you did excellent. I don't know exactly where Panther is over here, but somewhere in there where it's nice and thick with ferns, where the other kitties don't really come and see him. Bother him. Well, more is always better, and you did too good of a job.
I don't know if I could take any more a couple days like today, the last couple days. So I don't want that job. What did I do, Sweet Pea?
I need 2 more canna lilies out there.
Okay, well that's not a problem.
With the curved brick and the other, you did you did such a good job.
Goes to show you, no good deed goes unpunished. I'll be glad to do it, Sweet Pea. It really wasn't that bad at all.
Well, I appreciate you on the hill, because that's really hard for me. I seem to have a propensity for slipping, and it's just not good for me. I need cleats.
Well, yeah, that and that's just debris down there. That's really not solid ground.
Yeah.
And you're stepping on roots and things that could give way. You know, old branches is washed down. Anyway, the point is, you just leave that to me, pretty thing.
All right. Been cooking more bacon, and these are the bacon cream cheese wrapped stuffed chicken breasts. Anyway, bacon's almost done, then I'm gonna put them in for dinner. Don's taking me to Home Depot and on a pogo loop, since we weren't out of the house today otherwise. First time I've been through the intersection in a few days. It's coming along.
Yeah.
Okay, there's 2 more Gloria canna lilies. This is something called Heartleaf Brunera. I don't know that I've seen it before. I got another Mandevilla too. Don Maki. There's the Ryobi battery end holder things Don wanted printed so he can organize the Ryobi batteries, and we're gonna send a DeWalt battery one. Yeah. And a Ryobi or something, a tool.
2 more things, yeah.
Yeah, I got 2 more things. Yep, does. Works just fine.
Yeah, I'm going to mount them to a piece of wood. And the wood's going to be like a piece of shelf, so it would just slide out. Because right now I have a wooden box, small, that holds the batteries.
Sure. Yeah, but cardboard,
Cardboard, but this will do it.
Yep.
So, it works great. I think it'll be fine.